In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum columns in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to total up a column of numbers with a simple, reliable formula. First, open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. If you're not already signed in, make sure you sign into your Google account so you can access your files. This ensures you'll be able to open your spreadsheets and save any changes you make. Next, look to the top right of the page for the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. Click that icon to open the app launcher. From the list of Google Apps, choose Sheets. This takes you to Google Sheets, where you can see your recent files and templates. Once you're in Google Sheets, open the spreadsheet you want to work on. Give it a moment to load. When it opens, locate the column of numbers you want to add up. Decide where you want the total to appear. Many people place it at the bottom of the column or in a summary area so it's easy to find later. Click the cell where you want the total. Now type an equal sign followed by the word sum and an opening parenthesis like this. Exit sum. The equal sign tells Sheets you're entering a formula, and sum is the function that adds numbers together. Don't worry about capitalization. Ixsum works the same as itsum. With the parenthesis open, choose the data you want to include. You can click the column header, for example the letter at the top, to select the entire column. That will create a formula like HISUM AA. If your column has a header label in the first row, SUM will ignore that text and only add numeric values. If you prefer to include just a specific part of the column, say rows 2 through 100, click and drag to highlight that range, and Sheets will fill it in, like A2, A100. You can also click the first cell in your list, then shift-click the last cell to select a continuous block. Choose whichever selection method best fits your data. After your selection looks right, type a closing parenthesis and press Enter. Your total appears instantly in the cell. Anytime you change a number in that column, the result updates automatically. If you selected the entire column, the total will grow as you add new rows, which is great for ongoing lists. That's it. Your column is summed. Keep this formula handy, and you'll save time while keeping your spreadsheets accurate and easy to maintain.